Okay, good evening everyone. Thanks for coming to our presentation. My name is Satrio. We are from Bangkit Cohort Batch 2, 20 and 23. Our purpose today is to talk about our project. First, we will discuss about background and reason. Then we will move on to the existing result implementation and improvement. Next, we will talk about result and documentation. And finally, we will wrap it up with a plan, a local deployment and business pitch, go-to-market proposal. The next will be delivered by Mutmaina.
Okay, thank you, moderator. The first I will explain about background. So parents often worry about the safety of toys they provide for the children. Toys that do not meet safety standards or may contain hazardous materials pose a risk to children's health and well-being. However, not all parents have the necessary knowledge to identify safe toys or potential hazards. This creates a need for a practical solution to help parents identify safe toys and receive information about potential risks or warnings associated with specific products. The child, the child safety apps aims to provide a user-friendly solution to this problem. And next, uh, about reason, the reasons we choose this project because we realize that some toys are not safe for children. This is supported by the opinion of Work Against Toys Causing Harm Inc., which released several lists of dangerous toys in 2020. These toys have hidden dangers that could put children at risk of injury or death. We want to solve the problem of children toy safety. And next, we will explain by Nurta Winda. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. There is a 2021 research entitled An Improved VGG16 Model for Pneumonia Image Classification. Next, this research focused on comparison the architecture of the VGG16 model with the EVGG13 model to classify X-ray image of pneumonia, where these two models are convolutional neural network CNN models. Next, meanwhile, the model we developed used a combination of CNN layers, and we classified the toy image into 10 classes, namely bebek karet, fidget spinner, ketapel, mainan pedang, kelereng, lato-lato, layang-layang, pistol mainan, puzzle, and robot. Next, the implementation will be present by Arsan.
Alright guys, thank you. This is a display our VR dataset. Okay, next. This is our model summary. We are using a PGG 16 and then the model have accuracy is 89%. Okay, next. Next, implementation in cloud computing. We are deploying using Google Cloud Run, and then storage obtained from user like photo, profile, name, email, and passport. Okay, next. The next implementation in Firebase, we have three. The first, authentication for handle, manage user login and register. The second, database for storage data user. And the last, storage for handle photo profile storage. Okay, next. This is implementation about deploying a model using Google Cloud. You can guys see in the display. Okay, next. We have three main file. There are main.python. This is the API file for our machine learning model. We are running in the Google Cloud. The secondly is requirement text. This is file set for specifying what Python package. And the last Docker file. This is file contains all the commands a user cold call on the command line to assemble an image. Okay, next. This is the link to guys you can use for the first in the local deployment. We are using local Postman, and the secondly there are link resolved by Google Cloud Platform. Okay, next. Okay, the next we will deliver it by Abdullah
Okay, thanks Arsan. I will explain the result of our project. It can be seen on the slide that our application has three main features, namely authentication, toy classification, and toy recommendation as the main feature. After the user login, the page will move to the home page, which contain a toy classification feature. As in the slide, after the user enter the marble image, the application will display information dapat dimainkan namun tetap dalam pengawasan. The next feature is the toy recommendation feature, which can be accessed by pressing the recommendation button. Okay, next. The next is documentation. For documentation, we use the GitHub repository. Then, to collaborate with us, you can read the guide in the README. To visit the repository, you can click the link in the slide. Okay, the next session will be continued by Diki Sadiko.
Okay, thank you, Bang Ajis. I will to explain I will to explain plan a local deployment. In this is our possible pilot or trial on the next 6 months table. We can see this we can this train better model, improve the cloud storage infrastructure, and design new features and launch the beta version of the apps, get feedback from user, has a budget in. And the second is project milestone from 2024. We can see from January to June is we can start from project expanding the range of toys, and the next is trend better model, improve the cloud storage infrastructure, and in March design new feature, in April implementation subscript feature, and launch beta version of the app and get feedback from user. The project is due in May, and the last is improve application from positive feedback is due in June. Okay, next.
Okay, let's move on to business pitch and go to market proposal. Next. This is a target market. You can see there is a list like age range, profession, role, specific attributes or links, and the last is hobbies. Next. So this is our budgeting plan. The first is for the income is cash. For the total is 1,040 million rupiah. And there is expenses like three additional budgets for team salary, for research and operational, marketing and sales, and for the last is miscellaneous. Next. Okay, there is enough for our explanation. In conclusion, we have discussed about a background and reason. We also discussed its exciting result, implementation and improvement. Then we discuss the result and the documentation. Lastly, we discuss the local deployment and business pitch for go-to-market proposal. Thank you for the time and see you.